Aye. Right, we've undone the 3 bolts here, and Ali's taking the gasket out. And we have to undo 3 bolts over there, right? They're beside the jack that hold that U-bolt on. And then this should pull off because the exhaust was blowing right here. You can see when it was blowing. As much use as a chocolate kettle. We've also undone a lambda sensor, which is a size 22. Right, so the next step will be undoing the U-clamp over there, which is 14mm, I believe. So we'll crack on with that part. You want the hammer as well? Yeah. The chop the exhaust. Yeah. Chop it down. Yeah. Just chop it and then you grab a hold of it and turn it. Mother. Fucking hell. Slice it with a grinder. Try to get the screwdriver in the side of the exhaust, where the slit is, and sharpen down the exhaust.
What do you mean? That way?
Yeah. No, down the way. Down
I can't
towards.
go down the way.
How can you not go in the slit?
That sleeve is on top.
What do you mean?
This sleeve. That goes into that.
Eh?
Not over it, it goes into it.
Is it not coming now?
No, it's not coming loose at all.
You want my wiggly?
Yeah, that's just a loose exhaust on 2 hangers.
You sure it wasn't wiggling the actual...
What? The actual what?
The actual...
No, you want to have a look at that.
Let's see if I come under it.
Yes, put it on, Bill.
Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer.
Is it even turning? No. Hope you can't put a wee weld in there.
Nah. Could you hold that centre silencer?
Aye. That's
Oh, just so it's rigid.
so it's rigid.
Aye, so it's rigid. Come in.
Can't tell for you. There might be a bit, I don't know.
Anything?
I'm not sure, it's that I can't see round to here. You know what I mean? This bit here, I can't tell.
With a torch help you see?
No, I don't think so.
No?
It might, but I can't. You know what I mean? To where?
Well, it's definitely come forward.
There, has it?
Well, feels like glass.
Well, did it still connect?
Oh, flex pipe.
Ah.
Won't connect right.
No. Doesn't look fucking any different, does it? awkward fucking
Exhaust off, mixed car and a new one fitted. First fix it. Blowing like a bastard it was. You can see it there, look. So, just put a new one on it.
Oh? I'm not sure.
And just keep that pipe. That's a new pipe on there. Yeah, set of discs and that to go on there. I'm starting that today, we'll do it tomorrow, like so. Yeah, it was just 6 o'clock on Thursday night or something. But job's a good one.
Alright, aye.
Mike's just gonna put the tools away and that for me.
Yeah.
Good lad that he is.
Aye.
And
yeah, I know.
it should be alright. I think it needs a wee bit of weld.
I'll phone you when I'm leaving.
A wee
here.
patch or something, but well,
Right.
we'll not worry too much about that, guys. Okay, just a wee update. It's a lot quieter than it was. 1.4, 16 valve Astra. J, I believe, I know the replacer of Astras, but I'm sure that's the J model, the Marks 5, sorry. I'm sure that's what it all sounded like there. Aye, that's from a black box, eh? Aye. No lights in the dash. No lights in the dash. Eh? What? Meh. This had a timing chain and everything done on it. This engine. Got a timing chain and everything done on it. There's a set of brake pads, discs to be done on it. And that's it. And there's a wee welding patch. Cat's right down there, eh? That's it down there, aye, the round thing. There was a heat shield over that, but it's gone.